Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can change the color of measuring dimension. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user, where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video description. Here we have the measuring dimensions options. If we click on the measure linear, and we will toggle here orthogonal dimension, and I will select this edge and this edge. So you can see that dimension is showing, it is a 42.7. Now I will clear it, I close it, and go with for example angular dimensions. If I wanted to measure the angle between these two, so here it is a 90 degree, which is a perpendicular. Now let's see the measure linear dimension and toggle the orthogonal dimension, and I select this edge and this edge. So you can see that we have the 3 dimensions, but you can see that this dimension 45.65 is in a pink color and it does not looks good, and we will learn how we can change the color of the showing dimension as per our requirement. So for this, go to the edit and go to the preferences, and go here on a part design, and here on a 4th tab you will see the measure options. So here is a 3D color, so which is a pink, and I will make it to the blue, dark blue, and say OK. And this delta color, this 40 and 22, I will change it to the red and say OK and say apply. Now I will clear all the dimension, and now I will again select this edge and this edge. So you can see that this has been changed to the blue. Now we will see why it is still showing in a delta color is a red, which is not looks good. So I will change is to the yellow, and I will say OK and say apply. Now click on the clear dimension. Now I will again select these 2 edges. So you can see that these 2 dimensions shown in yellow and looking very sharp, and I will also make this blue color to the yellow. So I will clear all the dimensions, go to the edit and preferences, and this 3D color I will also make the yellow and say apply, and I will again select these 2 edges. So you can see that now all dimensions are showing in yellow and it looks good. So this is how you can change the color of shown dimension in a FreeCAD. So this is the very small tutorial for the FreeCAD customization. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my video. This is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.